This is Kwik Kar Marsh. Down there is my stepdad Ryan. He is an owner of the Kwik Kar. Here's my mom, the owner of Kwik Kar. We keep everything organized. We keep the lobbies and bays clean. And most importantly, give high quality customer service. Have comfortable seating space for all customers. And plenty of water. I mean lots of water. We have very clean bathrooms for both men and women. Please ring for service or updates. And meet our mascot, Zeus the German Shepherd. The landscape of Kwik Kar Marsh is quite nice. Here's a quick tour of the bays of Kwik Kar. Downstairs is quite creepy, but during the day it's pretty active. The second most highlight of Kwik Kar is safety first, always. You can stick around if you want, but we can also drop you off and pick you up if you have something else to do for free. Just ring for service or ask one of the techs. P.S. Don't feel bad about it, it's what we do. There are clean bathrooms in the back. They have free coffee, water, and tea. We also have free snacks, like trail mix. If your phone or tablet is dying, you can sit in the electronics section. Or if you're looking for some comfort, you can sit in these comfortable seats. We keep track of a lot of things and everything. We also have lightning fast oil guns, super smooth tire inflation, and super strong car vacuums. We also have entertainment for both children and adults. We keep things straight. We are the king of all beverages. Here's one of our employees cleaning the floor. We were voted the best looking lube. And best waiting room, best bays, and best landscaping. Yes, we do have nice bathrooms. Hello everyone, it is me who is recording this video. I really hope you enjoyed this fair tour of Kwik Kar. I hope Kwik Kar will be your next trip to visit, and you won't regret coming. It's the best service ever. Call Ryan Mendez for more information. You can also call my mom. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Make sure to like and subscribe. Come to Kwik Kar Marsh.